Forget not that unyielding night, whose pyre in the heart still burns. For wounds unmourned, denied the light, will open wide when no one learns.
The children of forgetting too shall weep in blood their fathers spilled. The lamps go dark, the streets fall through, and silence asks what voice was stilled.
Speak now, for silence forges chains. Your quiet is the tyrant's tool. This hush will swallow what remains. This dying flame no hand can rule.
Who longs to live must wake alone, must light his own defiant flame.
No other hand will lift the stone. Rise and let the dawn bear your name.
The children of forgetting too shall weep in blood their fathers spilled. The lamps go dark, the streets fall